Hello, we'll be making Kolhapuri Bharwa Bengan this afternoon. Here you will need all the following ingredients that are available on the screen. You have to start making this recipe by cleaning the brinjal and slitting them into 4 parts. You have to add them in the salt water as shown. You have to add all the brinjals and then you have to take a plate. You have to add peanut powder or danyacha koot, and then you have to add kanda lasun masala. You can take it of any brand. Here I am using Kolhapuri masala. Then I am adding salt here, and then jaggery, good. You can even add sugar if you don't have jaggery. Then I am adding tomato, and then onion, and then the coriander. After adding coriander, we are adding chili powder. Here I have used Everest chili powder, and then the garam masala or the goda masala. Here I have used both goda masala as well as Everest chili powder. So I am mixing it. You have to mix it thoroughly. Now you have got brinjal, bengan in your hand, and you are stuffing the masala. You have to stuff it fully so that there is no space remaining, because once it starts boiling the masala leaves bengan, so you have to take care of that. So now the brinjals are stuffed. Now in a kadhai you have to heat the oil and add mustard seeds. Then you will add haldi, that's turmeric powder, then hing, asafoetida, and then curry leaves. Mine are from the garden, fresh from the garden, and then the garlic, and then the remaining onion. You have to give it a nice mix. You have to mix it and you have to keep a watch till the time the onions are turned golden brown. You can smell the aroma of the onions and the tempering, and then you have to add brinjals. So once adding brinjal, you have to give them a nice stir. You can see because of the oil and the masala below, the brinjals have changed the color. Here I am adding tomato and giving it a nice mix so that the tomato is cooked properly. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid any case of burnt masala. So now I am adding water. This recipe is very close to my heart, and I make it often. So after closing it with a lid, I kept it for 20 minutes. I took the lid off and see what's the result. The vegetable has started boiling, and it will only thicken once you add the remaining masala, that is danyacha koot, in the gravy. See, it has thickened and the vegetable is ready. You can see. Just bring it to a boil for 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. See the vegetable, it's so colorful and nice. You can follow me and subscribe my channel, and please like the video and share your comments. Thank you.